and welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we are here with a standing resistance band leg workout. So we are going to be using a resistance band. If you don't have one, that's fine. You can still do these moves without them and get a great workout in. So if you are ready, let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so we are going to begin by grabbing that resistance band and putting our foot in the middle of it. And we are going to begin with kicks out to the front with our left leg. So let's go ahead and begin here. I don't know if you can see my workout buddy Cinnamon here. She decided to join the workout with me. It is a party. It's always fun when my little workout buddies decide to join me. So we are just kicking our leg out to the front. It's coming about parallel to the ground. If you can't come up all the way about parallel to the ground, that is totally fine. Just do what you can. So doing this with the resistance band makes it a little bit easier for us, and it will help people who need it to get that range of motion in. So y'all are doing such a great job. I'm super excited to be working out with these resistance bands. There's a lot of great workouts that we're going to be doing, so be sure to stay tuned for all of those. And if you have not seen the other resistance band workout videos that I've done, and 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's switch onto our right leg, bringing that right foot into the middle of the band, and let's just go ahead and get started right away. So we are kicking that right leg out in front, bringing it once again about parallel to the ground here. So y'all are doing great. Keep up the great work. If you haven't seen the other resistance band workout videos, be sure to check those out. I have a resistance band arm workout, and I also have a resistance band ab workout, so be sure to check those out. If you don't have resistance bands, don't feel bad. You can still get a great workout in. You can still do this move even if you don't have a resistance band. You'll still be able to feel your legs working in this video. Y'all are doing a great job. So we are just lifting here. Be sure to have a slight bend in the leg that is on the ground the entire time. You don't want to lock that knee out. In 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so now we are going to do those kicks, but we're going to be doing them out to the side with our left leg. So let's go ahead and put our left foot into the middle of that resistance band here, and we are going to come out to the side here. So if your leg can't come up very high, don't feel bad about that. You are just working at your own pace. Y'all are doing a great job. Be sure to stay tuned for the other resistance band workout videos that will be coming out soon within the next few weeks. I plan to do another resistance band leg workout on the floor, so stay tuned for that. And how do y'all like my decorations that are out? They're super cute. I have these really cute bunnies over here. There's a really cute girl bunny. She has her own little baby bunny that she's holding, and she's super cute. She's in this really cute patterned dress. And then the boy bunny over here is super adorable as well. He has this carrot that he's holding and this little sack. I think it's a like wheat or corn or something. And y'all are doing great. And 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so now we are going to take that onto our right side for those side kicks, bringing that right foot into the center of the band here, and let's go ahead and begin by bringing that leg out to the side. This move is a great way to tone those hips and those outer thighs. This is a great way to strengthen those outer thighs, get them toned and firmed up. I am really enjoying using my resistance bands. This is a great way to switch these workouts up. So it's bringing some new moves, some new variations of moves to the channel. There's always ways that you can switch up and change your workout, get some variety in, get some muscle confusion going. Y'all are doing such a great job. Be sure to leave me a comment down below letting me know what you thought of this workout and if you enjoyed it, if you have resistance bands, and if you're enjoying using them. My resistance band here today is blue. It's really cute. Blue is my favorite color, and my nails are this really bright blue color, my favorite color. In 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so now we are going to be doing those kicks, but to the back. So let's go ahead and bring our left foot into the center of the band here, and we are going to kick out to the back, lifting that leg up to the back. This is a great move that will work those hammies. I like this move. This move also requires a bit of balance, so don't feel bad if you are wobbling around, or if you even need to hold on to something, that's totally fine too. Some tips to improve that balance is looking at something that doesn't move, and also putting your arm out to the side to get some stabilization going. You can also, when you're working on your balance, to try and shifting your weight to the entire foot, really distributing your weight evenly within your foot. And once again, be sure that you have a slight bend in that knee here. You don't want to lock your leg out here. Y'all are doing such a great job. Just keep kicking, kicking, and kicking up. Y'all are doing great. I hope that you are enjoying this workout as much as me. And 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's switch on to our right leg. So bring our right foot into the center of the band. And this is our last move of today. So let's go ahead and get started. So since this is our last move of this workout, you want to make sure that you are making it count here. Making sure that every repetition that we do is good and quality reps. So just keep lifting and lifting up. Y'all are doing a great job. If you are not subscribed already, be sure to do so down below, and also hit that notification bell that is right next to the subscribe button, so that way you get notified anytime that I post a new video. And while you're at it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up down below, because I hope you are enjoying this video as much as I am. And y'all are doing great. And if this is your only workout for today, you can do this 3 times through, or you can pair this with the other videos on my channel, whether that's with the other leg videos. There's a playlist for that, so check that out. And there's just a whole bunch of workout videos on there. And 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so we are officially done with this workout today. So be sure to stretch if you haven't already. And once again, be sure to subscribe, comment, and like below. And I look forward to seeing you for my next video that will be coming out on Friday. Bye, have a great day.